Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now.
I'm on my way to meet Qamar. Qamar is a top producer real estate agent here in the Chicagoland area. And we're gonna collaborate with him, see what we could do.
I got attend to car payments in the rent.
Compass. This guy has a branch with Compass. If you guys want to become a real estate agent here in Chicago, join the Qamar group. We're gonna talk some business with him today. Let's see what we could come up with. Let's see if we can make some money together.
Need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, I told him.
You know, actually, fun fact, when I was younger, I actually had a foosball table at home. And I'm telling you, dude, I used to be Stephen Curry on the threes, knocking them down left and right. So let's see if we get a quick game in too.
Labels asking how I build a brand. Told him put a check up in my hands. Boy got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the rest.
And I'll train the cold callers for you. So they're already trained cold callers, and they're gonna bring 2 warm leads per day. So depending on how many records you have, they could contact, they do about $1,000 a day, right? 1,000 dials a day. Out of that, you're gonna get 2 warm leads. So about 10 to 15,000 records per caller is what I need.
Okay, so that conversion is, what is that? It's like 0.2%?
Yeah, so the metrics on the cold callers, every 30 warm leads that come in is a contract. And every 3 contracts that you get is a contract sold. So 33% conversion rate.
And again, that's kind of one thing that we let people know is when they come and join and then kind of see what we're doing, whether they're interns or whether they're just kind of testing it out, trying it out. The idea is that we allow them to kind of shorten the learning curve.
Right.
Because we made all the mistakes. So you don't have to go through that path and like do all the mistakes that we've done. I also am of the belief that we've got maybe a decade and a half left in retail real estate business as it is today. The fact is, an average millionaire has about 7 streams of income coming in, right? So do you guys have your 7 streams? Let's find out. DM this guy and ask him how he does it.
I'll put it out there.
I had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in play. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen a rev on the dash.
So I had a nice meeting with the Rafay Qamar at the Qamar group. If you guys are a realtor or if you want to be a realtor, make sure you check him out because he's one of the top producers. He's going for the billion, you know, he's going for the B. So make sure you're part of his team. And if you guys want cold callers, you already know where to go, AK callers. And make sure you put something in the comments if you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, like and subscribe to the channel. Until then,
like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now.